And here we have our Cu.Ft collection 4-door counter depth refrigerator. The Cu.Ft collection really focuses on the design elements of the appliance. Here we have it in the matte white finish. That's going to ship standard with their bronze hardware. There are 6 different finishes for the hardware in the Cu.Ft collection, all customizable, all field installable, but it will ship with hardware from the factory. So in our matte white finish, we have bronze. In our matte black finish, we have stainless. And in our stainless finish, we have stainless. One thing to notate is Cu.Ft's signature finish is copper. So this is their badging. This is their logo. On every single appliance they make, there will be one copper clasp, no matter what finish you choose. Here in this model, what's exciting about it is having that outside ice and water dispenser with the hands-free autofill. You're just going to set your cup here on the dispenser tray, hit the autofill button, and there's going to be a laser that's going to stop your water right before the top of the glass, so you don't need to stand there and wait for it. As we open the unit up, it is very spacious, and again, focusing on the design elements of things. It is not your average white interior refrigerator. They do this gray platinum interior finish with that fully lit LED back wall. It is a beautiful unit on the inside, copper accents all over, big gallon door bins here on the right side of the refrigerator unit, breakaway shelf for that convenience factor. A very popular feature these days on counter depths is that 4th drawer. This one's convertible down to a soft freeze at 23 degrees, all the way up to wine at 42 degrees. That does change on the fly, and it does have some adjustability for utilizing the drawer for more than one person in a home. And then as you go down into the freezer, this is all, you only see this on the high-end counter depth models. You're gonna see a 3-tier freezer down here. So it's gonna give you a lot more organization and not be that bottomless pit freezer everybody's scared of on the counter depth unit.